Welcome to GEPP, GST e-invoice preparing and printing tool. This is a user-friendly form-based tool to enter the invoices one by one and generate the IRN numbers. This tool may be downloaded from bulk generation tools in e-invoice portal. You need to have MS Office installed on your system. Please make sure you are using 2010 or higher version of MS Office. The main menu lists the options available in the tool. New invoice. In this option you can enter the details of all invoices one by one. Pending invoices. This contains all the invoices for which IRNs have not been generated. Import QR code. The QR code file generated can be imported and updated using this option. Print e-invoice. This option may be used to print the e-invoice along with QR code. Generated e-invoices. This contains all the e-invoices for which IRNs have been generated so far and acts like a repository of all IRNs. Payment details. This option can be used to update the payment details for the invoices, including for which IRNs have been generated. Search. This option is used to search e-invoices based on certain criteria. Master menu consists of options to update the seller profile, recipient information and product information. Please note that it is mandatory to first update the seller details, recipient and product master before entering the invoices. Seller profile. This is a one-time entry form for entering the seller details. Information entered here will be used in place of supplier details during the preparation of JSON file. You may also upload your business logo, which will be printed on the invoice. Recipient master. You may enter the details of your clients using this option. Details of the recipients such as GSTN, trade name and address details may be entered using this option. This master will help you in quickly entering the purchaser details in the invoice entry form. Product master. You may enter the details of your product using this option. Details of the product such as HSN code, description, units, price and tax rates can be entered. This master will help you in quickly entering the product details in the invoice entry form. New invoice. This is the main form and is used to enter the invoice details. Keep the invoice ready before you enter the details. Select the category such as B2B, SES or exports. Next, select the document type and enter the details such as number and date. Next, enter the bill to details. You can enter first 3 characters of the purchaser name and the list is shown. Now select the purchaser. The other details are auto-populated. Transaction type can be selected as regular, bill from dispatch from, bill to ship to, combination. The details may be entered accordingly. Next, enter the serial number and product details in the product name. Enter the first 3 letters and the list is displayed from the product master. Select the product and other details like description, HSN code, unit, tax rate etc. are auto-filled from the master. You can add multiple products by clicking on Add New Product button. You can also enter the payment details for which the balance amount will be calculated automatically. Next, enter the e-way bill details, if required. Now, click on Submit to see the preview of e-invoice. You may confirm the entry or edit if required. On confirmation, the invoice details are available in the pending invoices. You may complete entering all the invoices. A maximum of 10 invoices can be entered and kept pending for IRN generation. Next, click on Pending Invoices. Pending Invoices. This contains the invoices for which IRNs have not been generated. There can be only 10 invoices kept pending. Click on Validate to validate the data and click on Prepare JSON. The JSON file will be generated in the same folder where the tool is copied. If any errors are identified, correct the errors and revalidate it. The JSON file prepared will contain all the invoice details. The JSON file thus generated shall be uploaded in the e-invoice portal. Now, log in to the e-invoice and select the option Bulk Upload. Upload the IRN request file to the e-invoice system. After IRN request file is uploaded, the system processes the JSON file and generates the e-invoices and displays the 64-character length invoice reference number. Next, download the Excel response file. Come back to the GEPP tool and click on Import IRNs. Select the file and import the IRNs. Once imported successfully, acknowledgement number, acknowledgement date and IRN will get updated from the file. You can now take print copy of this e-invoice. There are other options like search and push to history, which you may explore. Thank you for seeing this video. We hope the process is clear to you. You may start using this tool now. Good luck.